In this video, we will learn how to add your Yocal booking link to your Google Business profile. Begin by logging in as the business owner and use the left side menu to navigate to the online booking page. On the top right corner of your screen, there is a widget link copy button. While logged in with the account that manages the Google listing, click on the Bookings button on the top left corner. Scroll down to Links to your online booking tools and click Add another link. Paste the widget link and press Save. Great! Now you just need to wait a little bit for Google to approve the link, and then it'll be accepted and ready to use. Please contact us at support@yocal.com or use the chat symbol for more help.